everyone, this is Mina. I'm very happy to see you again. And here we are in the third episode, Properties and Effects of Hydrogen Molecules. In the second episode, we talk about the secret of miracle springs. Wasn't it interesting? Once you finish this episode, you will have a much better understanding of hydrogen very well. In fact, you will become a minor expert on the topic. First, let's watch a report from Japan NHK TV News in 2007. This is a doctor who specialized in hydrogen, the most authoritative in his field, and his experiment.
などに水素が活用できるかもしれないという研究成果についてです。
老化や病気の進行には体内の活性酸素が関わっているとされていますが、その活性酸素が水素によって取り除かれることを日本医科大学のグループが確認しました。この研究は日本医科大学老人病研究所の太田茂雄教授のグループが行いました。活性酸素はストレスを受けたりすると体内で増え、細胞や遺伝子を傷つける物質で、老化の促進や病気の悪化に関係があるとされています。研究グループは細胞の中の活性酸素が水素でどれくらい除去されるか実験したところ、細胞などを傷つける力が非常に強いヒドロキシルラジカルという活性酸素の量が水素がごく微量存在するだけでおよそ 60% 減ることを確認したということです。さらに症状の悪化に活性酸素が関わっているとされる脳梗塞を起こしたラットに水素濃度が 2% のガスを吸わせたところ、脳の障害を受けた部分の体積は1日後におよそ半分にとどまったということです。
水素というのはですね、体の中どこでも自由に通過できるんですよ。例えば血管が詰まってもですね、水素はその悪いところまで届くことができるんです。活性酸素というのは生活習慣病や老年病の原因の一つと考えられています。で、そこで水素がこれらの病気の予防につながるんではないかと期待しているんですね。
この研究成果はアメリカの医学雑誌ネイチャーメディシンに掲載されます。
In 2007, Professor Shigeo Ota published this research paper in Nature Medicine, a very influential British journal of medicine. The title was Hydrogen acts as a therapeutic antioxidant by selectively reducing cytotoxic oxygen radicals. The next 4 pages, part of Shigeo Ota's data, are the most significant. Hydrogen molecules are completely non-toxic and no side effects. Now that people pay much more attention to health than in the past, health supplements are very popular, and people pay close attention to antioxidant capacity. So, what exactly does this word antioxidant really mean? To put it simply, if the foods that you eat can prevent oxidative damage, they are called antioxidant foods. However, what most people don't realize is that, although these foods are generally very beneficial, not everybody reacts the same way. One reason is genetic differences or genetic defects. Certain people must avoid a particular nutrient. Not only will eating them not be helpful, they may even cause cancer. However, pure hydrogen molecules are completely free of this problem. During an interview, Professor Sun Xuejun, an authority on hydrogen research in China, once said, "We all know that without oxygen we cannot survive, but we should also realize that without hydrogen we definitely cannot live well." Hydrogen is completely non-toxic, has no side effects. Therefore, from 2014 to 2015, the governments of the European Union, the US, Japan, Korea, and China have one by one declared hydrogen to be a safe food additive. Adding hydrogen gas to drinking water is the most common and convenient way for everyone to take in hydrogen, as long as the purity reaches 4 and 5. This article is even cooler. The Japanese Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare has approved hydrogen inhalation treatment as Advanced Medical Treatment B, a new policy which came into effect on December 1st, 2016, by including hydrogen gas inhalation as a standard medical treatment. The Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare established a precedent for other countries to follow. Treating hydrogen gas as a therapeutic agent grants official recognition to this available research and has helped open a new era in hydrogen medicine. Hydrogen therapy is an innovative treatment for resuscitating patients who have experienced myocardial infarction and cardiac arrest. It significantly reduces mortality, protects brain function, and enables patients to quickly recover. Just like oxygen, hydrogen molecules are natural nutrients. Hydrogen goes directly to all the cells in the body, and as I have described previously, it only exerts its antioxidant effects against harmful free radicals. As for the three effects of hydrogen molecules, it is recognized as the very best among various antioxidants. It is also generally recognized as number one when it comes to promoting overall health. Among friends who regularly give their children to drink hydrogen water, this is quite obvious. When their children come down with a fever, fevers are basically a form of inflammation. If you give children drink 2 or 3 glasses of hydrogen water, as soon as a fever starts, it will often resolve itself before reaching the doctor's office. Of course, if the symptoms persist, chances are it's not a mere fever. You will still need to see a doctor, but at least you have eliminated the oxidative damage. Hydrogen also helps to promote overall health. Friends who often drink hydrogen water find that their children's physical fitness really does improve. Hydrogen makes children stronger and less likely to be infected by their classmates. The same goes for adults who frequently drink hydrogen water. They rarely get sick. This page is the most important for understanding hydrogen. Hydrogen molecules only target harmful free radicals. This is really cool. Earlier in this episode, I mentioned that in our bodies, there are good free radicals and bad free radicals. I also mentioned that people are now much more health conscious. They are willing to spend large sums on health supplements with a strong antioxidant capacity, including phytochemicals such as lutein, lycopene, anthocyanin, resveratrol, and so on. Most of these products are quite expensive. What is ironic is that because they're not targeted solutions, they can even cause harm. How can this be? Unfortunately, most antioxidants attack both good and bad free radicals. One example of good free radicals is nitric oxide. Fujigard, Ignaro, and Murad received the 1998 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for discovering the role of nitric oxide as a signaling molecule in the cardiovascular system, a very important molecule produced by our own bodies. However, as the body ages, it secretes less and less nitric oxide, or almost none at all. What is the main function? Nitric oxide maintains the elasticity of our blood vessels. So, if it goes missing, hardening of the arteries can easily lead to burst blood vessels, neutralizing beneficial free radicals along with harmful ones amounts to throwing the baby out with bath water. It doesn't make any sense. This is where hydrogen excels. It only neutralizes harmful free radicals. Let's meet the worst 3 free radicals. The hydroxyl radical comes in the first place. It is the most toxic as well as the most abundant free radical. The second worst is a peroxynitrite, which is added to foods such as bacon and sausage for preservation and color. If you eat too much of these foods, it is easy to produce peroxynitrite free radicals. Reheating leafy vegetables is another major source of peroxynitrite. The third one is lipid-free radicals. So where do they come from? One source is bad fats, such as trans fats, non-dairy creamers, margarine, etc. If you eat too many of these bad fats, lipid-free radicals will build up, all of which are bad free radicals. Only hydrogen can selectively target these harmful free radicals and leave the good kind alone. It's really cool. What's more, it is estimated that drinking hydrogen water along with health foods can double their efficiency. In the past, free radicals attacked most of our precious expensive supplements before they had a chance to reach the organs that could derive the most benefit. However, hydrogen water very quickly permeates all of our organs and immediately neutralize harmful free radicals. So these expensive supplements go directly to specific organs for storage and repair. Lutein goes directly to the ices and is stored there until needed, and the lycopene goes directly to the liver, mammary glands, bladder, and the prostate. If one drinks hydrogen water or inhale hydrogen gas, the health effects of health supplements are much more pronounced and easily observed. For maintaining health, this is probably one of the smartest and the most cost-effective things you can do. For the people who want to stay healthy, hydrogen is an excellent choice. There is nothing better than buying a hydrogen water or hydrogen gas machine, which the entire family can use for 5 to 10 years. Hydrogen can prevent the free radicals that cause some 90% of a family's illnesses, while otherwise, maintaining optimal health, if you can afford it, you can also take some supplements. Combining with hydrogen can double their effect, effectively making supplements much cheaper. Ketogenic diets are currently a hot topic. There's a book by Dr. Kenji Furukawa, a Japanese authority on pancreatic cancer, which recommends a therapeutic diet based on immunonutrition. This entire ketogenic diet book consists of a theoretical foundation, its experimental basis, and a clinical experience. On page 191, hydrogen is specifically mentioned for its beneficial effects when treating cancer patients. I will summarize some of his main points. Dr. Furukawa also mentions beneficial and harmful free radicals in the body. He says that the trouble is the hydroxyl radical, which is a truly harmful substance and the main cause of the side effects of anti-cancer drugs. Hydroxyl also destroys genes and cells membranes, causes cancer cells to proliferate or metastasize, and leads to recurrence of cancer. There is one important point. He said that cisplatin is a very effective drug against terminal stage cancer. Doctors have no reason to abandon it. But the biggest problem in treating cancer is that medical personnel only focus on the therapeutic effects of anti-cancer drugs, but they have no effective way to eliminate side effects. So should they go ahead with the therapy? Cancer treatment should of course be given and simultaneously supplemented with hydrogen, because What is needed most at this time is a targeted antioxidant, and hydrogen fits the bill. Experts directly point out that there is nothing better than hydrogen. So how exactly does cisplatin, an effective anti-cancer drug, harm the body? It can hurt the kidneys, but the role of hydrogen has been confirmed in experiments. So Dr. Furukawa concluded that hydrogen clearly provides a strong and powerful aid without reducing the anti-cancer efficacy of cisplatin. This is a really wonderful thing. When hydrogen gas troops can fight alongside cisplatin, this can help many friends who are fighting cancer regain their health more quickly. There is another important point according to traditional Chinese medicine. Those who are weak respond poorly to health tonics. Thus, when a person is undergoing chemotherapy, radiotherapy, or is seriously ill and very weak, they may not have the strength to properly digest nutrients. No matter how many nutritional supplements you give them, their body can't absorb them properly, because even digestion requires energy. But hydrogen easily permeates the body to fight oxidation on a broader scale, and it will not use up any of our precious physical strength when it does so. What's more, because oxidative damage has been reduced, the internal environment has improved, and all organs can start to repair themselves and recover their normal functions. The immune system has improved together with its capacity for self-healing, so the body's health is restored. In Japan, drinking plain hydrogen-free water seems as far inferior to hydrogen-infused water. Hydrogen gas has only been popular since 2015, but there are already many hydrogen bars where breathing hydrogen gas costs about $20 an hour. Very important episode 4 coming up next looks at the great variety of hydrogen water and hydrogen gas machines on the market. What should we consider in order to choose safe hydrogen-based products? What are the key points to look out for? Be sure to catch the next episode. If you liked this series, please do remember to press like, and don't forget to subscribe for more quality information. For follow-up information, you are also welcome to contact me via Line, WhatsApp, or WeChat. Thank you.